Today we're going to discuss about a new lesson, thermal physics. In that topic is temperature. Thermal physics. Thermal means it deals with the heat. So the heat deals with the rise and low of temperature. So that we're going to see in this lesson. And you must know first the introduction. And sun is the primary source of thermal energy for all living organisms. So we all know the sun is the primary source of heat energy or thermal energy. So the thermal energy is the cause and the temperature is the effect. So the thermal energy, that is the heat, is the cause. That is the heat is the reason for thermal temperature, that is thermal energy. If the heat was given, it shows high in the temperature. If the heat is not given in a particular object, it shows less in temperature, that is heat and cold, hot and cold. All living organisms need a particular temperature for that survival. So each and every organism has a particular temperature to survive in the world. For example, the human being's temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. That means 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So this is the normal body temperature of the human being. So if it exceeds means it results in fever. If it lower means the person was in danger and he may die also. So each and every organism has a particular temperature. In the kitchen, a container with a steel bottom is placed on the induction stove. So what will happen? The container will be heated at the bottom. So that is, the heat is given there, the heat is produced. Due to the heat, the temperature is produced. Now we will move on to the topic, temperature. So temperature is defined as the degree of hotness of the body. So temperature, if you can, that is, if you place a vessel, that is the container, in the stove and you just heated and take it off. At the bottom it will be hot and at the top it will be cool. So you can think that a vessel kept in the stove and a bottle of water kept in the fridge. So what is the difference? The content, that is the heat. Based on that heat, the temperature was seen. So the vessel kept in the stove is heated. So the temperature was hot there. And the bottle containing water kept in the fridge was taken out and it was chill. So that means what? That means the temperature defines here as the degree of hotness of the body. So the hot, that is the degree of hotness of the body, is called temperature. So the temperature is higher for a hotter body than for a cooler, that is cooler body. So we know no, that is when the hot, for example, your mother has served your coffee, chill coffee or hot coffee. So she will serve hot coffee daily. So it was too hot. So that shows the variation between the hot and cold coffee. The hot coffee will be more heater. You have to wait till the environment absorbs the heat. But the cold coffee, you can drink it as it is. According to the chillness, you can drink it as it is because it is cool. So the hotter it is, very hot to touch, but the cool, you can hold it for some time. It is also be defined as the property which determines whether a body is in equilibrium or not with the surroundings, or the average kinetic energy of the molecules. So it is defined as a property also. For example, the hot milk was taken from the stove and it was kept in a table for cooling purposes. It was hot, so for cooling purposes. When you touch, the milk is hot means there is no equilibrium and the heat was not absorbed by the surroundings. But after sometimes you touch it means it will somewhat light heat and you can able to touch it. That means the heat was absorbed by the surroundings. that is called equilibrium. So the equilibrium means inside the milk that is equal to the surrounding also. The heat is heat inside the milk, that is the heat in the milk, and the outside surroundings are equal, then that is called equilibrium. So it is due to the kinetic energies of the molecules. So the inside the milk also there is atoms, molecules, everything, no? So they are in gaseous state, no? Or liquid state. So they are producing this temperature, that is temperature which was absorbed by the surroundings. Further, temperature is the property which determines the direction of flow of heat. So temperature is also one of the property. So when a vessel was kept in a stove for a little time, that is for a shorter period, so just to heat the milk, so you off on the stove and off it. So what will it shows? At the bottom of the vessel was heat, but at the top of the vessel it is not heated, that is it is light. It is light heat, not so much heat as compared to the bottom. So where you are applying the heat, that portion was heated, not the other portion. So that means the temperature property shows the direction flow of heat also. So it is a scalar quantity because it determines only one property. That is, it is determined by the only one property, like that is the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. And there are some other common commonly used units are also there for temperature: degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. But the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. So it is only one. It is used here. That is why they are saying it as scalar unity. So what is the scalar unity? That is how you determining the temperature using only one property, hot or cold, not more than that. So if it is hot, the temperature was going to be there. Okay. So that property it is a scalar quantity. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin and other units are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. So I had given three types of temperature scales. This is Fahrenheit and this is Celsius and this is Kelvin scale. So the Kelvin scale is the SI unit of temperature, and these are the thermometers showing different degrees, that is deals with the Fahrenheit, Celsius and Kelvin. So hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. If you want to watch the video in Tamil, I had given the description link in the description box. You can go and watch it. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.